Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I'm actually tour guiding today. I'm not even sure if that's the term, but yeah, the lady that I'm like showing around, actually we started off yesterday and she said it's okay for me to vlog. So yeah, I'll vlog along the way and then show you guys the place that I'm taking her. So currently I'm at Pan Pacific Hotel. I'm gonna meet her for breakfast and yeah, and I'll bring you guys along the day, the places that we go. Oh really? Oops. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. So currently I'm at Pan Pacific for their breakfast buffet, and yeah, the client, she's almost like a friend now. She treated me this yesterday. She treated me another. There was like another breakfast buffet at Wanham Hotel. So yeah, and she's really really nice. Like, she's not like a client. She treats me like a friend. So yeah, good start, guys. So one thing that I noticed about this like breakfast buffet is like every station there's like a chef or there's like someone standing by, and yeah, they will actually make things out fresh for you. So that's pretty good, especially everything like Burmese dishes, which I'm gonna get one more. Ako nang tupoy lao. Chahazanto. I had that for the first round and I'm getting it again because I love it. And yeah, there's a lot of like Western food, Chinese food. I think there's like salad stand, but yeah, even though I'm in like a 5-star hotel, I'll still be having like Burmese food for breakfast. But it's nice. Ooh, nasi lemak, Malaysian breakfast. I think they've got sushi. Hi everyone, let me introduce you to the person beside me. This is Joanna. Thank you for the breakfast for both days.
Today was better.
She's been very nice. Thank you.
Thank you to him.
Thank you for showing
Showing me around.
And she's like the most chill person, She don't have demands. She don't want to. She don't have a list of places that she must go. She's like very chill. Just take me to anywhere. So yeah, it's not bad. Oh, this is a cool shot. Oh, nice. Oh my god. Alright, currently we are like at the back of the train, and the train driver, the train captain is nice enough to let us into his like cabinet. It's just right outside. Woo! Oh. This is like the money shot. And it's like so stable. Ah. Okay. I'm gonna hold it as long as I can. Oh my god. Welcome, yep, that's 1 p.m. Welcome to Myanmar, Joanna. So we just had some drinks at Yangon house just to stop by, and now we are at my favorite and one of the best place to eat pork steak here in Yangon. So yeah, this is like almost like a restaurant for pork steak, and pork steak is actually for street food, but yeah, they've like expanded into like whole restaurant, and they have this pot and yeah, a lot of variety for you to choose. So yeah, I'm gonna let her try all the food. Nice. Or you prefer the one this morning?
Is it same?
Same material but different method of making it.
It's too spicy.
Too spicy. Oh. Oops. Don't like it?
I didn't try it. You try first.
You try first. I guess it's too sour, right? Yeah, Burmese people like extreme flavors. It's either too spicy, too sour, or too salty.
You have a saying, right? You say those three.
Oh, in a combination?
Like,
Ching and set.
yeah.
Yes. And we like to combine those three. Thank you.
Okay, which one should I try?
Alright, I'm home, guys. I didn't really vlog that much because I don't want to disrespect my client, my friend. To everywhere I bring, I'll just be talking and sharing things with you guys. Instead, I just took clips here and there, and then I'm just compiling it all together. Today we did like a circular train ride around the city. We had breakfast at Pan Pacific in the morning. That was her treat. So thank you so much. And then we basically went to a cool little bar just for just to settle down, just to cool off a little bit. And then we went to eat some pork skewer, pork steaks here in Yangon. And that's pretty much it. In the evening we were supposed to go to Yangon River Cruise, but I think she was a little bit tired and she had put a little bit of like food poisoning. So she keeps taking meds. So I think she needed some rest. So I came back. It's around like 5 p.m. only. It's pretty early. So thanks for the early send off. Anyway, this was fun. I don't really do this quite often, and I don't have like so much client. But when people approach me to show them around throughout the cities throughout Myanmar, and if my schedule align, I will bring you guys out. So just be sure to drop a text before you come to Myanmar, and see if I'm around and if I'm available. If I'm available, I will be more than happy to show you guys around. That's pretty much it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.